Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you already know, my name is Ogbuefi, Eze-Ana, Ugochitubelu, Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri emi n'ụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ what you need to succeed is the good manners. I'm here to tell you that he needed to succeed in life with good manners. Ọtụtụ n'ime ndị mmadụ ndị na-ekwu na-achọ their destiny helpers go their destiny helpers because of bad manners. Manners includes how your approach, your customer services, your good behavior. You must be a type that respect whoever that cross your path. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-eche na ihe kpatara ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ ji aga n'iru because of their family background ma ọ bụ na enwere onye nyere ha aka ma nwoke ma nwanyị. Some ladies are up there. It's not because of bottom power, but because of respect. The way they carry themselves attracted good vibes, good men to them to help them. So don't always say that only for succeed. Either they say no na court, mob they say na no madiyaka mob no whatever. Yes, somebody get mana all to present you onwe game more draw that particular destiny helper to you. In there we high get But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. I want to side of the temple, an annual festival any Otambaro okay this year and Sarakasuyeno. Gabiana September 15th. Or we will know outside of the temple ga participating here. Whether we know Bodo Ibo in Nigeria, whether me I go one a Chacham na was why he goes a remake to Kodonyabo Festival. Okay, 2026. Because I say, only in Ezeana and Eze-Ana on one and Conwa August can I get it right at Chicago was see Bass and Conwa. Niso to go in my temple, Chuaja go for Kubio could listen in Ezeana all over the globe. Distance is never a barrier in all we do in the temple. I am my intellectual identity where here can go 4 years. We have massive testimonies, but we don't show them on social media because it's not why we are here. But I can tell you that you couldn't remember where I had. When the next realize is 4 years there to date. In fact, as we speak, I'm going in the book 2027. Now I want to show you a lie. He gave me a short time no WhatsApp. Although I 3 prayer requests I get even out and I charge and I go for no could be open to again on one was it bars I charge and Messana can I have Madudum. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 Now let's proceed. Here can not check over my care and my chock and call again. He was a rema. That good manners count. Some of them mado na garden actually he name her. Man of fear can not check why. Obroning well spiritual director, which is very necessary again. Really, no only to na more. Okay, when you don't get a direct and don't come more, okay, I remember mistaken and do. Yes. Okay, when you alter that sparks you, that's your spiritual director. Oh, no, guy, they get called the Rema, Mungana, Bagana Mo, Manamo, Abasia go. Stay put, no no. Stop jumping from one pillar to post. Let that person be somebody that you have access to. Somebody you will get chat where to say somebody will keep on a phone more, send their message, you respond under 24 hours. Then the man who I know Yaka. Now, Obu no wana monitor your back, funny message here in because email. Then remain no in great state of grace. Problem ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwere obu na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ emeghị ihe ha kwesịrị ime na mmụọ mana ọ na ha enwere ihe ha mụrụ na ha ga-akwụrụ ofu ebe. Yes, ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ eme ise na ọtụtụ opportunity dịrị ha because of na ha na-akwụwadị too much. Ịkwụwadịbazi ije ebe a ga-eticha gị nke a bụ ofu. So your spiritual director ga-ama na ịkwụ na the right lane. Ọ bụrụ na ịkwụ na the right lane, ihe ọma ga-emebere ọrụ gị. Check yourself very well. I can tell you based on spiritual revelations na-enweta. O nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ihe ji ha actually abụrụzi na ọ bụ ụda ekere ha na mmụọ mana ọ bad manners. So work on yourself. Maka enwere ike ihe ị na-achọ na Sokoto adị na Sokoto. O nwere ike destiny help agha ahụ ị na-ebe ebere ka Chineke nye gị bring them across you. Nwere ike ha abịago na ya life. And you chase them away by negative attitude, negative manners. Nwere ike bụrụ onye dị greedy. Nwere ike bụrụ onye adịghị eme appreciate no matter how little it is. Nwere ike bụrụ onye nwere respect at all. Nwere ike bụrụ onye na-egosi character na because of n'ọgụnwa na-aga na-akpọrọ gị isi ala ma ọ na-emere gị nke ma ọ na-emere gị nke ọzọ. Entitlement mentality. Nwere ike ị na-enwe ụdị mentality ahụ o mee ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ will not be able to work with you. Onye ọbụla bịara ụsọ ọ na-agba and by then isi nọ ndị mmiri na-eme gị maọbụ nọ ndị ọgbanje na-eme gị maọbụ nọ amoosu maọbụ nọ ndị mana nke bụ eziokwu na karakta gị na-esirepụ. Ndị mmadụ nyere little opportunity, you betray their trust. Bọsị ya ka a na-enye na news dispatch rider onye enyelu gold worth of 7 million naira ka o je deliver ala mmadụ, then o buru nya bụ gold disappear. Ịghọtara ya? Somebody dey to amụrụ na for the fact na ị na-arụ ọrụ na company ya CEO believe in you wee nwee ike inye gị a gold worth of 7 million naira in trust. Ọ gosi na ya enweghị ọtụtụ value a place on you because whom much is given much is expected. And you got this much value, and for the fact that you get delivered to somebody that can afford gold of 7 million naira, you up na you go customer that go through the gold balance. He need to rebuild personal relations, trust. We have one for gratitude. I'm going to deliver that thing. The person will 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, may appreciate. Okay, monya or foot or money where greedy. One opportunity of recommend the array. I'm a more total them man they cross go my part and didn't go recommendation because they put go behind into trial. For how water there. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwere ike ọnọdụ ha na-ebecha akwụ mana because na ha pass both the test, the integrity test. Emokona ọ na if people can vouch for you now a pass go the integrity mana integrity go the first raw catch. You know idea? Yes, before you begin to receive physical catch, you get ụzọ nwee integrity catch. Integrity catchable when you don't have 5 million, but somebody can guarantee you, somebody can say, give him goods worth of 5 million naira, I know him, he will never disappoint you. If for any reason he disappoints, I'm here, I will pay. You don't have 5 million, but somebody can guarantee you 5 million. You have continue being honest. That 5 million physical cash will begin to manifest. But you first of all earn it. Earn it. You got idea? So if people cannot trust you, believe in me, people cannot confide in you, they can't invest in you. So check on yourself. Have good manners first. As a woman, as a lady. Let whoever that comes your path, cross your path, say, this man, I trust him. If people can trust you with money and they test you with money and you pass, they go see over selfishness or greediness, you go places. So sometimes before you start blaming in the or blaming in Dut, check yourself. Are you a betrayer? In a betray the hands that fed you. Very good manners. Believe in me. Okay, very difficult. Why people succeed is because they build integrity first. Good name is better than silver and gold. Because whoever that spends money or investment on you, or somebody that believe you or shorting you with something tangible, believe in me, that person still have access to more wealth. Let me stop here. But work on yourself. No, build manners, good manners first. I know somebody, she picked somebody's phone. The person misplaced his phone, he lost it. This person picked the phone. Instead of switching it, he left the phone open. When the owner calls, he told the person where he saw the phone and picked it. The person now said, because of this particular thing he just did now, tell me what you want. And believe in me, when she said that he doesn't have job and this and that, believe me, as I speak now, that person in question now, that lady, her condition is far, far better. And if she continues that way, I can tell you many good things will keep locating her. That is how life is. If you are not found worthy among the human spirit, among humans, the spirit will never find you worthy. Because the spirit will always linger and see you as someone with bad manners, a betrayer, and whatever. Even the spirit he call upon will never believe in you. They will be disappointed. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, want us to do anything for you, have any question, ask me. 0805-7837-672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị izigbo ụzọ ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie, udo dịrị unu.